Hello tool lovers! In this video, we're diving into the top 20 genius woodworking tools on the market every woodworker needs. Whether you're a beginner, setting up your first workshop, or a pro looking to upgrade your gear, these smart and innovative tools can save time, boost precision, and make your projects easier. From clever measuring devices to powerful cutting tools, get ready to discover woodworking tools that truly change the game. Point driver manual tool, the Meite HM515. Manual point driver is a high-quality, portable framing tool ideal for securing backing boards, glass, and artwork in wooden frames. Its spring-back impact design reduces hand fatigue, while the adjustable driving depth ensures precise point insertion for different wood types. Lightweight at 1.37 pounds, it features an ergonomic rubber grip and durable aluminum alloy construction. The easy front-loading magazine holds up to 100 flexible steel points, making it a reliable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional framers. Matchfit Dovetail hardware. Microjig. Matchfit Dovetail hardware is a versatile woodworking system that lets you create custom tracks without costly T-tracks. Using a 1/2 inch by 14 degree dovetail router bit, grooves are milled directly into wood surfaces and hardware slides. In for secure, mobile hold downs. Its low profile design ensures unobstructed tool movement, while reinforced resin construction enhances durability. Full-length threaded track screws provide maximum clamping range, and 360-degree mobility allows flexible jig setups. Ideal for jigs, sleds, and surface clamping in any workshop. Glazier point driver. The Northline Glazier point driver is a precision manual tool designed for window glazing and picture framing. Its magnetic head securely holds individual glazier points for fast, one-handed placement. The metal head ensures points are driven flush without shifting, while the extended offset handle offers smooth, controlled pushes and reduces wrist fatigue. With a non-slip grip and compact size, it provides comfort and accuracy. Kits include 50 premium points and a reusable case, suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Folding saddle square. The Woodpeckers. Folding saddle square is a high-precision joinery tool designed for accurate corner and edge layout. Its zero-play hinged joint allows it to wrap around workpieces, functioning as a folding straight edge for square or angled stock. Post-assembly milling ensures perfect alignment, while the tensioned hinge provides smooth adjustment from 90 degrees to obtuse angles. Available in standard aluminum or stainless steel, it comes in full, mini, and collector's editions. Ideal for tenon, cross dowel, and angled joinery tasks. Joint bridge clamp pad set. The Woodpeckers. Joint bridge clamp pad set is a precision woodworking accessory designed to ensure perfectly flush panel glue-ups. Its arched pads bridge over joint seams, applying localized pressure to align boards while preventing contact with wet glue. Ideal for inlays up to 1/2 inch thick, it protects delicate workpieces from clamp marks. Made from glass-reinforced polycarbonate, each 4-inch pad offers durable, heat-resistant support. Sold in sets of 12 or 24, optional racket storage keeps pads organized for efficient glue-ups. Stair tread template tool. The Eleon Stair tread template tool is a professional-grade measuring jig that ensures precise stair, windowsill, and shelving layouts. Adjustable for tread widths from 8 inches to 56 inches, it features dual laser-etched scales for accuracy and captures complex angles in irregular spaces. Made from 1/4 inch anodized aluminum, it's lightweight yet durable, with secure locking knobs to hold dimensions. The kit includes 2 templates, 6 adjustable rods, depth measurers, a carpenter pencil, hex wrench, and a sturdy carrying case for convenient storage. Grr-Ripper Plus. The Microjig Grr-Ripper Plus GR100 Plus, released in late 2025, is an advanced 3D push block designed for table saws, router tables, jointers, and band saws. Its safe rip kit and advanced internal scales prevent accidental blade contact, while the ergonomic handle enhances comfort and control. Using Microjig's signature 3D pressure system, it stabilizes, guides, and feeds material precisely. Made from green GRR-RIP, gripping material, and high-impact plastic, it's safe, durable, and fully serviceable, often backed by a limited lifetime warranty for the gripping surfaces. Compact router. The Keentech Brushless Cordless Compact Router is an 18V to 21V powerhouse, delivering corded level performance with cordless freedom. Its 1000-watt brushless motor boosts efficiency and durability, while 6 variable speeds, 10,000 to 33,000 revolutions per minute, adapt to any project, from delicate carving to heavy trimming. Built with a sturdy aluminum base, ergonomic handle, and LED work light, it ensures precision and comfort. Battery options include Makita-compatible 18V packs or a 21V kit with dual 4.0 Ah batteries, charger, and a full accessory set for versatile woodworking. The FivePears Tongue and Groove Router. Bit Set is a professional-grade woodworking tool designed to create strong, seamless interlocking joints. Made with durable C3 or YG 6X micrograin tungsten carbide cutters, the bits deliver clean, splinter-free cuts and long-lasting performance. The hardened steel body with a heat-resistant Teflon coating helps reduce resin buildup and friction. Featuring an anti-kickback design and precision CNC ground edges, this set is ideal for cabinetry, flooring, paneling, and a wide range of DIY woodworking projects. Core Drill Guide. The BullseyeBore core is a magnetic drill attachment that uses laser-projected concentric circles to ensure perfectly perpendicular drilling on any surface. Its non-contact design prevents surface damage while keeping the drill bit fully visible. Gravity-independent operation allows use on walls, floors, or ceilings. Red and green laser options cater to indoor and bright environments with varying battery life. Compatible with most drill chucks and bits from 2 inches to 8 inches, it features magnetic breakaway safety and comes in standard and extended models for different bit lengths. Scribing and Compass Tool. The Milescraft Scribetech Model 8407 is a versatile scribing and compass tool designed for woodworking and home improvement. Its articulating pencil head and retractable compass point allow precise marking on irregular surfaces, while the adjustable grip secures pencils or markers of various sizes. The edge-following ledge ensures accurate parallel lines, and integrated shims and a built-in sharpener. Keep tools ready for fine work. Compact, durable, and portable. It's perfect for cabinetry, trim, countertops, and layout projects. Spline Jig. The Yuchengtech Spline Jig is a precision woodworking tool built to strengthen Meite joints in frames, boxes, and similar projects. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum with an anodized finish, it works with table saws and router tables to cut accurate spline grooves. Adjustable clamps fit workpieces 5 to 42 mm thick, while bidirectional stabilization secures frames from both sides. Its metal-free path prevents tool damage, and aerospace-grade construction ensures durability. Compact and lightweight, it includes 2 jigs, a hex wrench, and a hex bit for easy adjustments. Adjustable Workbench. The Workpro. Adjustable Workbench series delivers heavy-duty, versatile workstations ideal for garages, workshops, and home offices. Featuring thick solid rubberwood tops with scratch and water-resistant coatings. These benches support loads from £500 to £3,000 depending on the model. Adjustable height options, including manual bolts, crank handles, or electric dual motor systems, promote ergonomic work. Many models include ETL certified power strips, mobile caster or leveling feet, and customizable pegboards, making Workpro workbenches a professional grade solution for serious hobbyists and craftsmen alike. Self-centering Doweling Jig Kit. The Aboutool. Self-centering Doweling Jig Kit is a precision woodworking tool for creating perfectly aligned dowel and cam lock joints in cabinets, shelves, and panel furniture. Its self-centering clamping jaws automatically position drill guides without manual measurement. Made from aircraft-grade 6061 aluminum and hardened steel, it ensures durability and precision. Features include dual hole capabilities, laser-engraved depth scales, and adjustable clamping for boards up to 1.33 inches thick. The kit comes complete with drill bits, depth collars, hex keys, sample dowels, and an organizer bag. Pressure panel clamps. The O-School 4-way. Pressure panel clamps are precision woodworking tools that apply even force from all 4 sides, top, bottom, and both edges, preventing panels from bowing or shifting during glue-ups. Their scissor action design ensures perfectly flat surfaces and tight joints with minimal sanding. Built from durable alloy steel with a powder-coated finish, they accommodate panels 3/4 to 3 inches thick and 10 to 36 inches wide, making them ideal for tabletops, cutting boards, and cabinet doors. Included brackets allow convenient wall storage. Track Saw Square. The SpeTool 90-degree Precision. Track Saw Square is a professional alignment tool engineered for perfectly square 90-degree cuts with track saw guide rails. Its full contact locking system eliminates rail drift, ensuring repeatable accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 degrees. Built from thick aluminum and stainless steel, it offers superior stability and minimizes vibration. Features include a quick lock cam lever, non-marring clamps, adjustable edge support for narrow boards, and universal compatibility with FeStool, Makita, Milwaukee, PowerTech, Wen, and Triton rails, making it a reliable choice for precision woodworking. BigCal. Woodworking Caliper. The Woodpeckers. BigCal Woodworking Caliper is a precision measuring tool designed for large-scale woodworking projects. Available in 12-inch and 24-inch sizes, it allows exact measurements of cabinets, shelves, and mortises. Dual-function jaws enable both measuring and transferring dimensions one-to-one, while the tool can also serve as a high-precision T-square. Depth gauging, scribing notches, and laser-engraved scales make layout work simple. Constructed from stainless steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, it includes optional attachments and a wall-mountable racket for organised storage. Dozuki Dovetail Saw. The Suizan Dozuki Dovetail Saw is a high-precision Japanese pull saw ideal for dovetails and tenons. Its thin, tension blade creates an ultra-narrow kerf for clean cuts, unlike Western push saws. Crafted from premium Sanjo steel, it features a rigid spine, Segan for stability, and high TPI for smooth finishes. Handle options include traditional rattan, modern elastomer, or folding designs. Interchangeable blades allow versatility across rip, cross, and angle cuts on softwoods, hardwoods, and engineered boards, making it essential for fine woodworking.